13, 10, 16. Call police, open the door. Huh? Call police, open the door. Huh? Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out!
My son!
Oh, fuck! No, 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 no! No!
We need lifeguard. We need lifeguard now. We have one kid down, one adult male down.
So 113, contact 105, 116.
You're all right. You want to go down with us?
But I need my baby. I need my baby.
Okay, I need you to sit down. Go around back.
Hey, are you good?
No, I'm not.
You want me to stick with you? Talk to me, brother. Are they secure there?
Yes.
Okay. I'm just going to hang out with you, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Listen, I'm right here with you, okay? Do you want to sit or you want to stay? Hey. Listen. Hey, look at me. Decisions were made that were out of your control, okay? You did what you did. I don't know what happened, okay? So I don't want to go into it. But listen, trust that you made the right call, okay? To protect you and yours, okay? Don't question your judgment. Don't do that to yourself. You can't control what other people do and the decisions that they make. Know that. Know that whatever happened, you acted with your training and experience, okay? And you had to handle things, okay? Sir, hold on. Where you headed?
Who's involved? You? Okay. Anybody else here?
Yeah.
Anybody else with you this time?
Yeah.
Okay. So, yeah. What's going on?
Gonna stick here.
113 Central.
Go ahead.
Go ahead for 113.
116. 550 is wanting to know if there's any more medical attention needed at the scene.
I honestly don't know. I withdrew myself from it, so I know Keanna Miller had been stabbed. And I shot the suspect in the baby.
Wait. I'm getting here late. You shot the suspect?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, let's have a seat now. Here, come over my car. Alright, here, have a seat here, man.
This is still running.
The car? Oh, yeah. Alright. How many shots did I remember? Okay. Let me just hang tight right here, and let me find out what's going on. And, you said the suspect was hit and a baby? Okay. Let me find out what's going on. Sit Sit tight. Is there anybody in the apartment now? Do we know?
As far as
Police?
Yeah.
Okay. Sit tight. I'm going to run inside there. Is 9:15?
Go around the back.
Okay. Hey, sorry. Part of it, okay? We're gonna get you off scene.
I need my nephews in there. I need my nephew out of there. Well, I'm not leaving until I get my nephew. Okay, can you get my nephew out of there? Okay, that's besides the point. That's my sister and my nephew's in there, and I want him out here with me. There's no reason you can tell me no, sir. So my nephew does not need to be in a crime scene. So can you please walkie-talkie them to give me my nephew? Please and thank you. Hey, I need my nephew. We're here for my nephew. It's a crime scene. I need my nephew.
Okay, where is he at?
He's in the house. My sister just got stabbed in her house, and they took her to the hospital. I need my nephew. This area is in the hospital. He told me there was nothing best to do. That's what he just told me. So who do I need to talk to get my nephew?
Yeah, I know you got a lot going on. Was there a boy in there? Yeah. Okay. His family's here at the line. That's what they're. She's here to come get him. Okay, so
He's gone.
okay. So
Tell them as soon as we can, we're gonna get them some help. Best I can tell. Correct me at any point if I'm wrong. Domestic.
Okay.
Kiana Miller was stabbed.
okay.
There's a deceased adult male that's naked and a deceased child.
Okay.
Appears gunshot wounds.
He stabbed him in the head.
He stabbed him in the head and then
Got
shot the
shot
guy.
Yep.
Okay.
Where's he at?
They're both in the
Who's he?
number
The
6
shot.
on the back.
The dead people are in 915.
OIS.
On the back.
OIS, go around the backside. There's officers on the backside.
Has anybody notified state police or anything?
Yes. Yeah. Jordan is getting them spun up right now to have the state police show up and take it over.
Okay. All shots are accounted for, Gok's taken care of.
I'm going to take Gok and Cameron to the PD, and I'll handle stuff from there.
Nick's on his way there right now. I'm going to
Okay.
call him, have him meet you.
Tom, this is going to be your scene. I'm going to take care of them. Okay. Boy was stabbed and died with a male, I guess. And then Gok put the male down.
Yep.
Okay. So, where's the male? In there.
Upstairs.
Next to the kid. Okay.
You good, brother? I know. All right. Hey, Nick's going to be up there with you, okay? All right? You're good. You're good. You're going to be good. You're going to be all right. You're going to be all right, buddy. You're all right. You're all right. You're okay. Nick's going to be up there. All right? We're going to take care of this.
Follow me. Somebody notified 7.
Cameras go off now.
Yeah.
Both the suspect, 57-year-old Anthony George, and the 4-year-old victim, Terrell Miller, were pronounced dead at the scene. When officers entered, Kiana Miller, Terrell's mother, was covered in blood, having been stabbed multiple times. Anthony George was holding a knife when Officer Gok ordered him to drop it. George then grabbed Terrell, holding a knife to the child's throat. Officer Gok fired a single round, striking both George and Terrell, instantly killing them both. George had an extensive criminal history and had previously pleaded guilty to murder in 1995. His most recent charge was for domestic battery. In November 2023, internal investigations concluded that the shooting was justified and did not violate department policy. One investigator stated, "Now as to Terrell Miller, that was found to be accidental. I don't think in any way, shape, or form anyone felt that the officer's intent was to go in there and hurt young Miller. While no action will be taken against the officers involved, Kiana Miller, Terrell's mother, has filed a lawsuit against the officer who fired the shot. The case will be decided in federal court."